హలో గైస్, మీరు నన్ను ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్, ఫేస్బుక్ అండ్ యూట్యూబ్లో కూడా ఫాలో చేయొచ్చు. లింక్స్ నేను కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో షేర్ చేస్తాను. వాటి ద్వారా మీరు నన్ను ఫాలో చేయొచ్చు. Today again I'm going back to Ravangala because yesterday I lost some equipment related to camera, so I thought it will be there or not, I don't know, but for searching that I'm going back to Ravangala while traveling 25 kilometers from Namchi. Let's see it's there or not. I thought it's my bad luck. No, it's not my bad luck, it's my negligence. If I use it to be responsible, then I don't even lost anything, right? So now because of my negligence I lost the camera equipment, so for getting that again I am going back. I don't know it will be there or not. If it's not there I can't do anything, but first I will try to find that. If I don't find that I can't do anything, but next time onwards I will be responsible and safe, so then I can't I won't lose anything. I think it's near to, I came near to Ravangala. Let's see. Finally, now I reached to Ravangala. I searched each and everywhere, but I did not find anywhere. I asked some cleaners and watchmen, and I informed for management, but they all searched, but still I did not get that. I don't know where I lost. It's my bad luck, I can't do anything. No, it's my negligence. I will try to be responsible from next time onwards. And now I'm going back to Namchi. Maybe after going to there I will pack all of my things and I will start towards Assam. So my next destination is Guwahati, Assam. So I will meet you there, and this is the last day in this is the last day in Sikkim. Later I don't know I will come back to Sikkim or not, but this is an amazing experience in my life, and I learned a good lesson that we should keep things safe, and we should be responsible, and we should manage each and everything with our full concentration. We should not be careless like I've been yesterday. So today onwards I will be responsible and I will manage my things, and before doing anything I will see each and everything. Finally, I packed all of my things and starting towards Assam, Guwahati at 3:58 p.m. So I don't know how much time it will take and how the road will be, but I am fixed that in any way I should start my journey today. Actually, I think to start my journey tomorrow, but I'm passing many days. I'm spending lots of time here only while wasting money, so I don't want to be like that. First I will start my journey, and I will travel how much distance I can travel today. That much distance I will travel, and later I will try to search some hotels, and there I will stay, and next day morning I will start towards Assam. And in Namchi I stayed in Samarthan hotel. It's a very good hotel. I'm saying it's good while seeing food quality, room, and viewpoint. Everything is excellent, and cost depend on your deal. If you make him to accept at 700, you can stay at 700, between 1000 to 700. So it's depend on you. So this is a very good hotel. If you visit Namchi, you can stay here. Off to Assam, Guwahati. Now I started my journey towards Guwahati. Directly I will go to Assam. Not directly, actually before 7 p.m. how much distance I can reach, I can travel that much distance I will travel, and later I will try to get some hotel and I will stay there, and next day morning I will start my journey towards Assam. And now I'm leaving this beautiful town Namchi, and Namchi is a very good place. This is definitely, if you visit Sikkim, then you must visit this Namchi also. This is not in that here not that many tourist places are not there, but it's okay, not bad. So I don't know again I will come here or not, but maybe I don't come again, but somehow I have some good memories, and with lots of memories I'm leaving this beautiful town Namchi. This is why all the time you should not trust Google Maps, because do you remember my hotel? So near my hotel only highway road is there, but Google Maps did not show direct way from my hotel. just it made me make a round around Namchi town, and again it's taking me near to my hotel road. So I'm getting so much angry because it can show direct way, but it did not do like that. I don't know. I got so much irritation. And do you remember that road? That junction, if whatever you are seeing in video, do you remember that junction? Before I went on this way while taking left, so again I'm going on that way. I don't know, now it's showing some other way. Let's see, I will ask some people it's correct road or not. If not, then I don't know what to do, but now I will try and I will ask some people. Whoa. Oh shit, do you remember this road? Before I went on left side road, upside of the hill, and now it's showing me to go down from this hill. I don't know this is correct road or not. Let's see, I will ask some people, or if I find any traffic police I will ask him. But now let me try, let me go on this way, this is correct road or not. Actually, now I don't know what should I do. I should cry or laugh, because I started my journey towards Assam right at 4 p.m. while thinking before 7 p.m. how much distance I can travel. While traveling that much distance later, I think to take rest. So while finding some hotel, I think to take rest, and later next day morning I think to continue my journey towards Assam. But now what the Google map did means, I searched on Google search. I searched route map on Google search from Sikkim to Assam Guwahati. So it provided me a route map. So while following that, I started my journey towards Assam. But the Google map, what it did means, it made me to roam outskirts of Namchi and inside the town of Namchi. So, and later it made me to come near to my hotel where I used to stay from few days. So now I'm getting so much irritation and I don't know what I should do. And now I came outside because I'm so irritated because of today things. And actually today, if I don't lost my equipment means, I used to start my journey at early morning and I used to reach Assam by evening. Everything happened by negligence. In my life, first time I'm tasting beef soup. Actually in my life I don't even touch beef or pork anything, but for the first time I'm going to taste beef soup. Let's see how it will be.